MRP in Tally. This is basic feature which we are having from old versions also, and there are some food industries or pharmaceutical industries who need to show MRP in item print format, invoice format. So if you want more configurations, you need to go for customization. So let us have a look how we can do MRP settings in Tally. Now create an item. I will give an item name HP laptop and the model also. We can give here item unit name, numbers, and the formal name, numbers, and select UQC. And if you want to set a standard rates, you can give yes here, and this is standard purchase cost or production cost without tax, and selling rate also normal selling rate without tax, and HSN code and taxable 18% tax item. And I'm selecting here goods because these goods are meant for resale. And now press F12 from here, and configuration screen, show more configuration and show all configuration must be yes. If both are no, we can see what happens here. It will not show MRP. So I give yes here, and now we can see here provide MRP details. Then click yes, then save it. Now set alter MRP details tab is added in item screen. Type yes here. Allow MRP modification in voucher. When you are making a purchase invoice, you can change the MRP if there any change in the purchase invoice item MRP. And MRP rate, you can put it here and save it. Now we can try making a sales invoice, and now to make MRP in print configuration also. Create the party. And address. Sales ledger, default sales ledger you can create. Select the item name, and here it will show MRP. In sale window, normally we won't make any changes in MRP. Inclusive of tax, rate inclusive of tax is different from MRP. This is your selling rate including GST, and MRP is different. And tax ledgers also you can create here, say GST, SGST. And save the invoice. Now let us see the preview. Click configure here and show more, show MRP marginal, and preview here. Just below the item we can see the MRP. This is basic settings. If you want to customize your tax invoice, you can ping me on WhatsApp. This is a basic invoice format. We can show the MRP. If you want to add QR code, party balance, you can customize all these things in your invoice. So they are chargeable actually, and Tally provides a basic print format.